In this video, we are going to play Pictionary online as one of the best virtual energizer and team engagement games. We'll be engaging participants with quiz questions also. You can use online collaboration platforms like Jamboard, Zoom or similar whiteboard platforms for playing Pictionary together. I have used Google Meet plus Jamboard and Zoom plus its whiteboard to play this game. These tools give you a white space to write on it with different color options to choose from. While conducting an online virtual meet on Google Meet, I shared the link of Jamboard with my participants. Zoom has an inbuilt feature of whiteboard. When you click the share button on Zoom, you will get this option. You may think of dividing the participants into teams also. You can share the keywords with the participants to draw using private chat, messenger or WhatsApp. You may search on web to get a list of Pictionary words. And with respect to the audience, you may decide on the difficulty level too. I used words like treasure, garbage, deep, fun, etc. Let's watch the sample from one of my sessions.
Umbrella.
Tent.
Tent. Tent.
A circus tent.
Exactly.
Basketball.
Rugby. What is it playing?
Discus throw.
Basketball.
It's a lasso. A horse. A house.
Cheese.
How can it be a horse?
What did Vinny say?
Cheese.
Yeah, he got it.
Exactly.
It's a thief. How?
Wonderful.
What is he stealing?
Bag of something.
A sad face.
Good. Let it be whatever we hit, but like Winnie, I'm still wondering how Winnie was able to crack this.
House.
Cuboid.
Cuboid eraser. Cheese.
That's it.
इतना ही है क्या?
That's it, guys.
अच्छा इतना ही है. House.
Wait, let her draw that.
Two hurt Tanushka.
She's making a No, that's not a purse. Yeah, it's a purse.
Oh, clutch. Sling bag. Use all the fancy terminology, guys.
No. It's a treasure box. It's a treasure box. Treasure box. Yeah.
It's a bag.
Treasure box.
It's a तिजोरी है.
Cool bag.
Cool bag हाँ हो सकता है.
Someone said the word.
Treasure box. Treasure box.
Yes,
Cool
treasure.
bag.
In another set of activity, have some slides with few trivia or quiz questions or something which connects with your audience. Understand that there will always be some delay to start the session, maybe some technical issues. I asked my participant to guess the songs from the pictures.
सेकंड वाला पीलू तेरे नीली आंखों की शबनम पीलू ऐसा कुछ.
Who was this? Tanushka.
Yes sir.
Sir, and first one is जादू तेरी नजर तू हाँ कर या ना कर
तेरा बदन तूने मेरी
Good then.
I think such an exercise can be used before a training module for maybe creativity, because this really opens up our mind to new ideas and we start thinking outside the box.
Yeah.
Something before a brainstorming session or storyboarding or something like that. It's really nice.
Good. So this can be used as a storytelling or a storyboard also.
Yeah.
You keep on creating
Yeah.
5-7 pictures and you create a story out of it also. That's amazing. So all the participants will get one box, fill up, and
Exactly.
let's create a story out of it.
I hope guys you found this piece of online engagement impressive. These engagement activities give participants a medium to communicate with each other. It promotes team bonding and spark creative thinking that fosters innovation. Limited time and structured activities can help build stronger relationships. Just remember that the stakes are high when participants are out of sight and their minds are free to wander. Do check out more of such icebreakers and energizer techniques which will dramatically and immediately change the productivity of any virtual gathering. Let me know how you are planning to use this in your session. Do like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have any question or suggestion and want to share your experience, please feel free to connect with me on any forum like LinkedIn, YouTube or Facebook. Wishing you all the best. Let's enable the work environment to be more capable and compassionate. Thank you.